So once you've got onto your Google Drive, you're ready to download your pictures. This is really simple. Just click on the three dots, go to download, and it will scan for viruses and should download it straight to your downloads on the laptop or computer or whatever you are using. You will then go to your downloads, which mine is right there. I'm going to put it on my desktop just to make it nice and easy for me to find. I will open up Photoshop, go to File, Open, Desktop, click my image and click Open. Really nice and simple. I have got an absolutely gorgeous face. Look at that picture. Corey's handsome. Then all I'm going to do is go to Image, Adjustments, and then Threshold. And you see it changes it to black and white. Now I can move this slider to change how much is black and white. I want it to still kind of look like me, so I think that is quite a nice balance. But there's loads and loads of little white details that I want to avoid. This will be an absolute pain to do, so I will now go over to Filter, and I'll go to Filter Gallery, zoom out a little bit, and then go to Palette Knife. Again, wait for that to render. And you can see this looks a bit easier. There's less white stuff. I can move this around, so this changes the stroke of the aforementioned palette knife. So depending how detailed you want it or how simple you want it, you are going to want to shift that. I think about there will do me fine. I'll click OK. Again, we'll let it do its thing and load. File, and then we go to save a copy onto my desktop, give it whatever title, and make sure it is a JPEG. Click save. OK, make sure it is maximum file size, and then that image will be saved onto my desktop.